Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are doing very well and safely at home. The technique which we're going to use is the monoprinting. Monoprinting is something that shows mono means one and printing means to take the print. So we'll be taking one print by using one plate. Plate means that the image which we are going to create for the designing. So we'll be creating that plate ourselves and then we'll be taking the print. So this is the difference between the mono printing and the other printing, because in other prints we can take multiple prints and in mono printing we can have only one print once. Okay, now I'm going to tell you that how to prepare the plate. For the preparation of the plate, we will be using very common and simple box board. I have taken a slice of shoe box and that has been cut out. I'm going to cut that out by with the help of scissors, and I'll be creating a plate by cutting it out, and that is going to be used in different form to get the image. I'm just using simple random shapes, nothing special, and it's going to give you the image of anything, whatever you can make. I'm just going to prepare it for your help. Okay, fine. You can see that by use of that simple paper, that is shoebox board, and I have arranged random shapes. These are somewhere straight lines and somewhere curved lines, and we can change it into another form as well. Like you can see that I have created a floral image, and you can cut these small dots or circles, you can call it, and then some form of leaves. These are not the original or the realistic flower, but still it looks like a flower. And by using simple geometrical shapes, I have created an image that seems like a figure, but no doubt that is not a figure, but still it looks like. But this is what we do, that use of simple material and simple shapes, we can create these kind of plates. It's going to be very easy for you to make at home.
Manaka.
Now you can see that I'm going to take the print of this plate. It's already been colored. I apply the color with the help of brush. Now you can see I'm going to tilt this over a paper, and I'm just going to tap it with the help of my hand, and the print will be transferred to the white paper. Now afterwards I'm going to remove it. Now you can see that I'm applying color to the plate, and it's going to look like this. Now I'll be taking print, so that is going to be done. You can see it. I'm putting this plate on the paper and pressing it from the back, and I hope this time it could be the perfect printing done. Now you can see that this is the print and this is the plate. Now we are done with this printing technique, and I hope that it's very comfortable and easy to do. So you better do the plates with the plain paper instead of the paper which is having some wrinkles or some sort of lines in it, because it's not going to give you a better result. So I prefer that you can use the Foamix sheet even, because that is mentioned in the lesson as well.